Today I'm going to install a gun rack into my Jeep Wrangler JL. I used the Big Sky ELS 220. And for a mounting bar on Amazon, I use this 12 gauge metal strut channel. 4-foot section is what you need to between the two roll bars. The gun rack that I bought did not have the timer module. So what I did was I bought one of these Santa Cruz Gun Locks timer modules. This one's adjustable, so you can adjust the time that it stays on. They list for about $50, but you can get those brand new on Amazon for, on eBay for about $10. That's what's in the box. You actually get the module itself, plus you get a momentary switch. Okay, so that's how I'm going to hook mine up. That's the module, and that's the gun rack. The other thing I did was I made an adapter out of 1/8 inch aluminum plate, and that's basically what the template looks like. So the top two holes, those are going to go through the U-bolts that are going to go over the channel strut. And the cutout here is to allow it to fit to the roof of the Wrangler. Okay, so let's take a look at the final gun rack install here. So as we open up the back of the Jeep, you can see pretty unremarkable, but if you look up here, so here's where the wiring goes up on the roll bar. There is the gun rack. It's way, way up, tucked in right next to the roof. I don't know if you can see it up there. And we'll take a look at it from the front. Okay, so here we are looking at it from the front. There's the light bar. And then you can see tucked way up in there, there's the gun rack. And there is the button for the release. All you got to do is press that button and it releases the firearm. Hope that helps. It works really well.